Some plants may look attractive but can cause serious problems in the garden by spreading aggressively, damaging other plants, or becoming difficult to control. They often take over space, drain nutrients, and create long-term maintenance issues. Let's quickly explore the plants you should never welcome in the garden. Morning Glory, Ipomea purpurea, is not ideal for gardens because it grows extremely fast and quickly becomes invasive. Its vigorous vines climb and wrap around nearby plants, fences, and structures, often smothering them. Once established, it produces a large number of seeds that spread easily and remain viable in the soil for many years, making it difficult to control or remove. Morning Glory also competes aggressively for sunlight, water, and nutrients, weakening surrounding plants. In many climates, it behaves like a weed, taking over entire areas if not constantly managed. For low-maintenance gardens, it creates more problems than beauty. Jasmine, Jasminum polyanthum, is not recommended for gardens because it spreads rapidly and aggressively. Its fast-growing vines can cover fences, walls, and nearby plants, often smothering them under dense growth. Once established, it sends out long runners and roots easily, making removal difficult and time-consuming. This plant can quickly escape its planted area and invade surrounding spaces, overtaking flower beds and other shrubs. It also competes heavily for sunlight, water, and nutrients, weakening nearby plants. In many regions, it is classified as an invasive species because of its ability to dominate landscapes. For a controlled, healthy garden, it is best avoided. Elephant ear taro, Colocasia esculenta. It may look tropical and attractive, but it often causes problems in the garden. Its rhizomes multiply rapidly underground, allowing the plant to spread far beyond its original spot. Once it starts expanding, it becomes difficult to control or fully remove, as even small leftover tubers can regrow. The huge leaves consume a lot of moisture and nutrients, leaving nearby plants struggling. In wet or warm regions, it can easily escape cultivation and grow invasively along ponds, drains, and open soil. Because it spreads aggressively and requires constant management, it's not ideal for a balanced home garden. Water hyacinth, Eichhornia crassips, is one of the most problematic plants to introduce into any garden with water features. It multiplies at an extremely fast rate, forming thick floating mats that completely cover the water surface. This blocks sunlight, reduces oxygen levels, and harms fish and aquatic plants. Its rapid spread can clog ponds, drains, and small waterways, creating serious maintenance issues. Even a few plants can quickly turn into thousands, making removal difficult and time-consuming. In many regions, it is considered a highly invasive species because it disrupts natural ecosystems. For a healthy and manageable water garden, it should be avoided. English ivy, Hedera helix. It should not be planted in gardens because it spreads aggressively and quickly becomes difficult to control. Its fast-growing vines climb walls, trees, and fences, often damaging structures and suffocating plants underneath. When it climbs trees, it adds extra weight, blocks sunlight, and can weaken or kill them over time. On the ground, it forms dense mats that prevent other plants from growing by blocking light and taking up moisture and nutrients. Once established, the roots cling tightly to surfaces, making removal labor-intensive. Due to its invasive nature and destructive growth habits, it is best avoided in home gardens. Castor bean, Ricinus communis, is not recommended for gardens because it is highly toxic in all parts, especially the seeds, which contain the dangerous compound ricin. Even small amounts can be harmful to children, pets, or wildlife. The plant grows rapidly and often spreads through self-seeding, making it difficult to control once established. Its large leaves and tall structure can overshadow smaller plants, disturbing the balance of the garden. In some regions, it is considered invasive due to its ability to naturalize quickly. Although visually striking, the safety risks and aggressive growth make it unsuitable for a home garden environment. Mint, Menza piperita, is a useful herb, but it is not ideal for planting directly in the garden because it spreads extremely fast through underground runners. Once established, it quickly takes over surrounding soil, crowding out flowers, vegetables, and other herbs. Its roots form dense networks that are difficult to remove completely, and even small leftover pieces can regrow, causing it to return again and again. Mint also competes for moisture and nutrients, affecting the growth of nearby plants. Without strict containment, it can dominate entire garden beds. For better control, it is best grown in pots or confined spaces. Giant hogweed, Heracleum mantigazianum, is extremely dangerous and should never be planted in any garden. Its sap contains powerful chemicals that cause severe skin burns, blisters, and long-lasting sensitivity to sunlight upon contact. The plant grows very tall and spreads aggressively by producing thousands of seeds that travel easily through wind and water. Once it establishes, it dominates large areas, pushing out native plants and disrupting the natural balance of the garden. Removing it is difficult and risky because of its toxic sap. In many regions, it is listed as a noxious invasive weed. For safety and environmental reasons, it must be avoided. Kudzu vine, Pureria montana lobta, is one of the fastest growing invasive plants and should never be planted in a garden. It can grow over a foot per day in warm climates, rapidly covering trees, shrubs, fences, and even buildings. Its dense growth blocks sunlight, suffocates other plants, and drastically reduces biodiversity. The vine spreads through both seeds and vigorous underground runners, making it extremely difficult to remove once it takes hold. Even small root fragments can regrow. Because it overtakes entire landscapes and requires constant, intensive control, kudzu is considered one of the most destructive invasive species and unsuitable for any home garden. Alligator weed, Alternanthera phylloxeroides, is a highly invasive plant that spreads aggressively in both water and soil, making it unsuitable for any garden. It forms dense mats that block sunlight, reduce oxygen levels, and slow water flow, harming fish, aquatic plants, and surrounding vegetation. On land, it creates thick clusters that outcompete garden plants by stealing nutrients and space. Even tiny fragments of its stems can regrow, making removal extremely difficult once it becomes established. It also spreads rapidly during warm seasons and can quickly dominate ponds, drainage areas, and moist garden beds. Due to its fast growth and persistence, it poses a serious ecological threat.